Chronic disease happens because of long-term cellular damage and chronic stress to the body. We all start as a single cell that formed 200 billion cells to form a human body. Every time your cells divide, you make new cells out of the food that you eat, including your immune cells. When the cell divides, the telomeres get shortened.
So telomeres are tiny caps that you see in this image that are at the end of the chromosome.
A telomere is the end of your chromosome that protects your chromosome from damage. It is the over-shortening of telomeres that leads to the sign of aging. Having a chronic illness and the way that people respond to stress determines how they age.
So it's very important to make sure that our chromosomes don't get damaged to prevent diseases like cancer, and telomeres come to the rescue in this regard.